everybody. I'm Bo. If you want to keep your Cat engine running how it's designed to, it needs to stay cool. That's where Cat Reman water pumps come in. These parts are salvaged and remanufactured to perform like new for a fraction of new price with core return. And they come with 100% new bearings, seals, and gaskets to give you long-term cooling protection for your engine. Plus, Cat Reman water pumps receive the latest engineering updates and go through extensive end-of-line testing. This makes them a cost-efficient drop-in solution that saves you valuable technician time. And their same-as-new 12-month Caterpillar Limited warranty gives you extra peace of mind. Lower your engine's owning and operating cost across its entire life cycle. Talk to your local authorized Cat dealer about Cat Reman parts and find more details at cat.com/Reman.